What are we gonna do?
Told you. We're gonna hang out. Gonna watch a movie.
Hey people, Kiara here from I Did Your Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting a $25 business using my lead gen secrets and ChatGPT. Now the reason that we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate program, which is 80% recurring income, guys. You get paid 80% for every sale. Every sale is very, very important. So if you're interested in following along, make sure to like, comment, subscribe, make sure to hit the notification bell. Let's get started. All right, so first and foremost, we're gonna look at our results. Look like we didn't get a sale yesterday, but we're gonna refresh the page so you guys understand, hey, I'm doing this in front of you guys. I'm not trying to trick you. Right, it looks like we did not get a sale yesterday, which is totally fine and not a big deal. Don't worry about it. Sometimes it happens. Can't really give up because of stuff like that though. Gotta keep it moving. Gotta keep the chick. You gotta keep it moving. Keep it moving. Because eventually something could make it just blow up. You might get a huge. I remember I got was it 400? I got a $400 sale one day, and it really shocked me. But anyway, guys, what we gotta do is get you your links. This is the link that I use here. I like to use this link here just in case you guys are interested. But what you want to do is go into the description, open it up. You're gonna see two steps: step one, step two. The first step there got a link to it, incomespeech.com, something like that. Click on it, take it to this page here. And what this page is basically the sales letter for the $25 business. It talks about what it is, what it does, how much money it can make, so on and so forth, right? Essentially, it's a funnel builder, you guys, and the most popular funnel builder out there is ClickFunnels, which is over $100 a month. It's $25 a month. So in case you were interested in the product itself, it's a fantastic product. All right. You also can make $20 and $100 monthly commission, guys. That's $120 per person, man. You get about 10 people. That's most people rent money. So yeah, it's very effective and very easy to get, scale is what I'm trying to say. They also get a charity here. They get a charity. You guys are interested with some of the money there, and yeah, if you're interested in that. So anyway, guys, once you decide, hey, I want to try this out, you click on this button here, and it's going to take you to this page here where you put in all your basic information. Click this right here, get it right now. One thing I want to mention, because if you use my link, you can get this, you can get HBA premium 14-day free. What that basically is kind of training on all these websites on how to get sales and stuff, and constantly updated. Don't buy a course if it ain't constantly updated, guys, because rules change and mess you up, can really mess you up. So don't do that. I bought a course, it's not constantly updated, it's absolutely useless now, you know what I mean? So they also have an AI content creation machine to help you kind of come up with content if you're interested in that. Yeah, man, that's all there is to that. Get that. And the cooler thing about it, if you get a sale with this product here, HBA Premium, you keep that money, even though you don't technically own the product, you know what I mean? So anyway, what I'm gonna show you guys is the absolute easiest way to promote this product that I have found that actually works. All right, so the first thing you want to do is click on my second link there in my description. It's gonna take you to my lead gen secrets, right? This page here. And once you get on this page, you just log in, make your account, whatever it is you need to do. Now, what is my lead gen secrets? You get 100 leads every single day. You can email once per day. All right, just keep on doing that. You'll get sales. And the reason why I call it the easiest method to make money online, because once you get your emails in there, just rotate them. So we're just gonna rotate, and we don't even gotta write the emails. We use ChatGPT to write emails for us. This is our next email on the list here, so we're just gonna click on it. We're just gonna send it. That's the email. Perfect timing. Sends emails around the time that people check emails, so it ends up on the top of the list there. We're gonna preview. Main reason we preview to make sure the link works, because if the link does not work, that means we won't get sales, because it's not possible for them to get the sales, right? And the next reason we click on this is so you guys to have a way to copy this email here. If you guys are interested. Hold on, folks. I'm using that same. I'm using it. I think I went down to. trying to check some. It's the next one, right? Is that the right one? I was just trying to make sure it's the right one, guys. Sorry about that. But anyway, yeah, this is the email you want to pick here. Blah blah blah. Make sure it works and stuff. If you want to copy it, I'm giving you a chance to copy it. That's what I was trying to explain. That when I noticed that it might have been a different email. Yeah, that's all it is to it. You can put a signature or whatever you want. You don't need to if you don't want to. I just did that because I got it, so I just went on it. Anyway, we're gonna send an email. And that's all it is to it, guys. Very simple method to make money online. This works. Now, you want to talk to me about the most effective way to make money online? Not the easiest, but the most effective. Most effective way is to make YouTube Shorts. Not YouTube Shorts in particular, but Shorts on particularly Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube. Now, one of those 3 sites are gonna take off. Right? One of them are gonna take off. You keep posting. You post about 3 times a day on each one. One of them is gonna take off. It's possible all 3 of them take off, but one of them is gonna take off real quick. If you're getting silent numbers on any one of them, just keep posting on them. If you ain't getting silent numbers, quit that one and focus on the other 2 or whatever. Right? Eventually something goes viral. You won't have to worry about money ever again. All right? That's all there is to it, guys. So anyway, guys, that's all there is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell. I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.